In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Keychron discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Keychron discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called simplycodes.com and open it. As you can see, we have right here a list with some promo codes that we can use to get the discount. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount, which is also likely to work, all you need to do is select copy code from right here. And this is the promo code that you can copy right here. And you can use this promo code on your next purchase in order to get this 10% discount. Also, right here, going back to our main search, you can also go to this website, which is called Retail Me Not. And right here, we also have some deals and promo codes that you can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 20% off your next order, all you need to do is select show code right here, and you can copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.